men dead from two-vehicle crash in St. Mary. 5 people fatally shot on Walton Park Road. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. 3 men died as a result of injuries they sustained in a two-vehicle collision along the Whitehall Main Road in St. Mary on Sunday morning. The deceased are 54-year-old Johnny Walker of Dean Penn, 42-year-old Donovan Bell alias Brownman of Top Albany, Islington, and 22-year-old Davery Anderson of Fraserwood in Highgates, all in St. Mary. Preliminary reports are that about 2:40 a.m., a Honda Stream motor car in which Walker was traveling was being driven along the roadway when the driver lost control of the vehicle, which then collided with a Toyota Corolla motor car in which Anderson and Bell were occupants. The 3 men were taken to hospital where they were all pronounced dead. The 3 other persons were reportedly injured in the crash and were admitted in hospital for treatment. The St. Mary police are probing the development. 5 people were shot and killed on Walton Park Road in Kingston on Monday evening. The incident occurred around 7 p.m. The Constabulary Communication Unit, the information arm of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, confirmed the incident but were unable to provide further details. More details to come follow further investigations.